Sanibonani. Namhlanje besithi ngesize sikhulume, but I think we owe our final goodbye. And amaqili-ke ngizalwa nawo athi kuzokhuluma mina. I don't know why. Mhlampe, let me give you a backstory so that nizo understand the person whom I was. A long time ago, there was uQondi. Qondi was Zanele's big sister, who happened to be my mother. Qondi passed away when I was still very young. Lindo and myself, Nangu Lindo, my brother. On her deathbed, she called us. Wasitshela wathi, I'm tired, but angengishiyi nodwa. You know ukuthi angengishiyi nodwa. Uyazi ukuthi ukhona uma wenu uZanele. We were very young. We didn't understand at that time ukuthi uyahamba ngempela. But there was never a day where we felt ukuthi asinayo ma. From that day, not from that day, even before, still when Uma was still alive, she'd always been our mother. Oma wayesho nje athi hey hambani-ke nje nalo ma wenu onitotosayo. Kwahamba isikhathi kwase khona uYolanda noMawande. Bakhula. Uma worked very hard. She was always traveling, working, and I'd stay with everyone. Wangithemba uma uthi ingane uyazi ukuthi mangabe ngikhona, everything is fine nokuthi ukhona naye. So I think ungitrainile for such a day. But akashongo, and I was never ready. Ukhulile kuma. Ekuguleni kwakhe, just a week before I told the diagnosis yakhe, I broke my ankle. Mina noma sisebenza ndawonye, like side by side. So when I broke my ankle, the following week uma wagula. Sahlala phansi sobabili. We couldn't work sobabili. She'd send me a message ekuseni. Sasikhuluma ngama-email no-WhatsApp, omunye esekamereni lakhe nomunye esekamereni lakhe. We'd work at asisebenze sis, we have to work. Sasishintshana-ke ukuthi uba uvakashela omunye ekamereni namhlanje. Ngelinye ilanga uyatotoba naye uza kumina. The next day ngiyatotoba nami ngiyakuyena. And she'd say things obonayo ukuthi uthini kodwa futhi awufuni ukubona ukuthi uthini. Athi ngiyagula Jabulo. I'm sick and it's painful. And she would cry. Uma never cried. So that's when I knew ukuthi she's really sick. All her life, wayengahlukani ne-laptop yakhe. 3 months ago, wathi uyayivula i-laptop, ayivula athi uyasebenza, ayivala athi akufuni. For the first time selokhu ngamazi, she couldn't work. Kwakumfrustrata kakhulu because that's all she lived for. And you could see ukuthi akazi ukuthi enze njani. Wasithanda uma wasibiza this one time. Wasitshela wathi senginikhulisile. I remember very well ukuthi wakhuluma uma wathi what else can we do enizokwazi ukuyirana without me. Sangabona futhi nangalelo langa ukuthi uthini. Wabuya wathi family meeting ebusuku. Wathi nayi imali. Nizokwenzani ngale mali? Ngicela ama-proposal, ngicela ama-business plan from each and every one of you. Sabuya, our review. That's okay. This is not gonna work. This is gonna work. This is not gonna work. Wathi qalani. Wagula uma wasibiza wasitshela ukuthi uyasithanda. Many times she would tell us ukuthi days before uqondi wathi umshiya noZanele when she died. Zanele, before she died, she said ngibambe qondi. She kept repeating ethi ngibambe qondi. And I just don't understand ukuthi umlanda kanjani umuntu angishiye naye. Twice now. I always prayed ukuthi they would never have to live and feel the pain I felt when I lost Uma. But for the second time again, I've lost another mother. But ngiyamthembisa Uma ukuthi ekhaya kohlezi kunjalo. We will keep the love. One thing she knew ukuthi siyathandana thina kakhulu no matter what. And once again, ngiyaphinda futhi ngiyasho ukuthi sinobaba thina. So, siyabonga baba. Siyabonga Gasol. Ngithandile Uma. Ngithande kakhulu. Uma was obsessed with ubaba. She was obsessed. Kade ngimtshela ubaba izolo ukuthi whenever ubaba mezobuya mekade hambile eSwazini, Uma would aphithize. Uyeza ubaba ahambe ayogrosser athi baba ufuna i-beef curry. Apheke kube mnandi ekhaya. Uma engekho ubaba Uma ubesihlinela. But we understood ukuthi ayi ngoba nake senze something ukhumbula umuntu wakhe. So siyabonga. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you. Nimthandile Uma, namsupporter, ephila, egula, oh my gosh, her sisters, amakerubi, abangani bakhe, Tingiko, Phe, Mam Dion, yo, thank you. Asikaze thina ekhaya bekumnandi ekhaya. Bengabonakala ukuthi Uma uyagula every weekend bebeshintshana. Bengahlezi kube nesikhathi where we are sad. They'd come bashiya amakwabo. Uma manje ngoba eshilo babzulu siyabonga ngokusipha umama usiboleke yena kulezi ikhathi zokugcina. She was there for her 24/7. Siyathemba usizoqhubeka sibambisane. Yolanda, it's okay. I want. It's fine. So cooler. We are gonna go. Lindo, you know ukuthi Uma ubefunani ngawe. She believed in you so much. So let's make her proud. Siyabonga to everyone obe involved. Ekutheni simbalelise ngezizotha kanje. This is her. This is Uma. Yabo manje ngabe uyasho ukuthi uyibonile ingqovu engihambe ngayo. So this is her. Thank you everyone. Thank you to our church. Thank you to Aba Ukhozi. Thank you to abalandeli bakhe. Thank you South Africa. Thank you. Zanele's name will live on.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Zanele Mbogazi's two daughters paid a tribute to the mother Uzanele Mbokazi. Now, her oldest daughter went on to explain a relationship in this moving speech that Uzanele Mbokazi is really not her mother, but she is her aunt. Uzanele Mbokazi is not her biological mother, a secret which many never knew because Uzanele Mbokazi has never exposed or revealed that secret. You guys, now she says that her aunt Uzanele Mbokazi, whom she refers to and calls mom, took the role of a mother to her and her other brother after her mother, who is Zanele's elder sister, had passed away, and at the time they were very young, a role which Zanele had been very good at till her last days here on earth. You guys, now she went on to reveal that when their mother, their biological mother, passed away, they were called to her by her bedside, and she told them that she is not leaving them alone on this earth, but with her younger sister, Auntie Zanele Mbokazi, who will be carrying on the role of being a mother to them. You guys, a role that Uzanele Mbokazi, has portrayed and played. She has never made them feel like they did not have a mother because she was there. She showed them love, she gave them love, and she provided for them, you guys. Anyways, please do engage with me what your thoughts are regarding this whole thing in the comment section. Do send those condolences messages in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video, and God bless you all, and may Mom Zanele Mbokazi's soul just continue resting in peace. Bye.